Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best ceiling exhaust fans that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Panasonic Whisper Ceiling DC Ventilation Fan. When you want to air out your room, you do not want a lot of noise doing the job. This Panasonic ceiling exhaust fan works at 0.3 sones to make sure you are not disturbed. On top of that, you get a fan that will work with 4 or 6-inch ducts. All it needs to help you is an approximately 11-inch opening in your ceiling. Your only drawback may be the way the instructions are written. Regardless, it is a good fan that handles your rooms right. At number 4, Broan-Nutone L300 High-Capacity Ventilator Fan. At 2.9 sones you may not hear this top ceiling exhaust fan at work. Its 20-gauge galvanized steel construction makes sure this ceiling fan lasts you a long time. In addition, it fits 8-inch ducts to give you plenty of airflows. Also, when it is turned on it gives you 308 CFM power to make sure your rooms are cleared out fast. A white grill blends in with your ceiling cover and unless you point it out, no one should know it is even there. At number 3, Broan-Nutone Duct-Free Bathroom Ventilation Fan. A replaceable charcoal filter purifies the air as it passes through this ceiling exhaust fan. Then no ducts are required to get this fan to work. Just place it between joists and attach it tightly and it is good to go. After you get it set up, this ceiling fan removes humidity, smoke and other air quality issues. Plus, its removable motor makes cleaning and replacement simple and easy. When the filter gets dirty, just remove it and put in a new one. Everything about this ceiling exhaust fan is simple. At number 2, Broan-Nutone Invent Series Single Speed Fan. It may only have one speed, but that may be enough to clear the dirty air out of your smaller rooms. Rated to work in 75 square foot rooms, this is a perfect fan for laundry rooms and bathrooms. On top of that, when you turn it on, it removes humidity from the room very quickly. Its 80 CFM power moves fast to make sure your rooms do not suffer from air issues. It can also be mounted in rooms with a 7x12 pitch. At number 1, Broan Sensonic Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Noise is not always a good thing. This ceiling exhaust fan recognizes that fact and produces only about 1 sone of noise when working. You can concentrate on what you are doing when this fan is on the job. Its 110 CFM rating makes sure your 105 square foot or smaller rooms have their air replaced fast. Plus, it will fit 2 by 8-inch joists with ease. The white grill should match your white ceiling and keep the fan from becoming an eyesore. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.